the KPIs that you need to know as a business owner is you want to know how much sales you're making, right? What's your year-to-date sales, what your month-to-date sales is. So every single month you have a goal of how much money you're going to be making, right? You want to know what is that number on the dashboard. You always need to be looking at that. And then what is your net income every single month? What are your taxes that you're going to be paying? Also, there are some different industries. How much production is every single employee bringing you? So let's say you're making $1 million a year and one employee only brought you $150,000, but another employee brought you $250,000. Usually in the service industry, they say every single employee should be making you about $250,000 in the accounting industry, in the legal industry, in the service industry. So you want to know how much does each employee cost you and how much are you able to generate from each employee so you could maximize your gross sales and your profits. And then as a result, it's not all about money, right? You're able to hire better staff, do more, invest more into marketing, and invest more into the company. So the clients are so much happier because they get more skilled staff and better service because you have more people and you're able to afford to hire more people. So it's always best to measure those KPIs of how much money you're making, what are your expenses. And there's some expenses that you want to know on a monthly basis and sometimes even on a weekly basis, like how much money are you spending on Facebook ads, on Google ads, how much is it generating? Every single marketing channel should be at least giving you 3 to 4x the ROI. And if not, that should be your goal to get to eventually. So you always need to be looking at your numbers, and then you always have to be asking yourself, what do these numbers mean? Do they, what action steps do you need to be taking because of these numbers? It's not just a dictionary where you're looking at it and you're not going to do anything with it. You have to take action based on those numbers. So as a business owner, it is crucial to know your numbers every single time, and you're able to make better decisions because of those numbers. So follow more for more tax tips. Talk soon.